Hi guys, waan islaamay. Welcome back everyone. Waa DR Zakariya. Waxaan leeyahay aad iyo aad u soo dhawaada subscribe-ka, like, share gareeya guys. Come on man, Somali TV guys. Share gareeya. Wiilkiini waaye. So let us waxa daawaneynaa this prank waana Ethiopia lagu sameeyay. Damn, back in Africa guys. Ayaa lagu sameeyay videogan lagu duubay prankan. So Addis Ababa daawana, you know.
السلام عليكم سومالي وإذن السلام وحال السلام سلامتي بخلطي من أفرت أبيل وحان كسينا مقالة السابق خاصة حافظها هذا شانل كاسو تاعي سبسكرايب لايك شير if you want you can comment you know why وحال عصوص بالدوان كل دونتين إن شاء الله هذا تاعي حقص على حافظ بولي صبيح كمتاعي وميل أدو فرح بدن وحان سمين دوناني وكامل خاصة استعمال دونو وقبل هلا مران خالد دونو I can take your picture if you want can I take your picture
Guys, I'm gonna count it. Waxa waaye warqad inta ii yeesha. I wanna count it. In uu kala soconayso gaagaan in kale, you know. So let us see. Ma uu kala kici doontaa mise ma gabdhaha Etoobiyaanka lambaro ma ka xoqanaya mise ma let us check.
Sorry.
Sure.
Wow, thank you very much. Sorry.
That's
Why
what.
you leave it? You leave it,
Yeah,
Bole?
the guy get a one.
Not
The
yet.
guy get a one. Hello, hello. That's the good. Hal xabaan ka haynaa saaxiibkeen. Let us see.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Thank you. Sorry, yeah, disturb you, but I would like to have your number.
Yo, is that Addis Ababa والله? Damn, ما kala kacsabtaa brother keyga aswarga ardunuun kanadi. Damn, bro.
No, I don't have mobile, so
What do you have? Instagram?
no, I don't have.
Tinder? Like that? You're so beautiful, that's why I choose you. Why you say I fell legum? Please, come on.
Hal xabo, halkaas X waa hal xabo no, bro. Taasu ku dhacay gabadha waxa ma haystay dhaaday Facebook ma qabi waxa qabo ma leh ay taagan tahay. So midda kale aragno.
Yeah, girl. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my god. Yes.
Oh.
Thank you. Please, I'm talking to her.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah.
Which one? Show me. Yeah. Yeah, I call her. Yeah. Is that correct number? You're gonna answer to mine. Just give me one act like only one. Oh my god, I love you so much. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Yeah, I don't have any account.
I see your phone.
I love you so much. I want to so good. You can say I love you first time. Lambarka ka qornaysi. I like you. You look beautiful. You good. Yeah, I agree with that. But I love you so much. First time, marka hore ku arkay hore ka caashiqa ma, you know. I like you ka horeysa, you know. You're beautiful. You're good, bro. Keep going.
As I come on. Okay, you can block me if you want, but just give me your number.
Okay, I'll text you.
Shit, bro. Gabdhaha marmar waxa waaye wallahi it's all ladies waa arkay all of them most of them gabar kale isla socnaa xabada ay kala kacsan arka way maanayso xilli wuxuu leeyahay qafiya kala kacsan tahay qurux badan tahay you know numberkaaga way ku adkeenay ma laga tago waxa ka taginaadi just qofku waxa waa dadaala waxa leeyahay uu gaara magtahay so waa lagu celceliyaa and then marka dambe ta kala fiirnaa waxa laga saaxiibteeda ma almost la socotay ka horan xabada de ku adkeenayso saaxiibteeda ka ku adkeenayso maybe idina keesha hasiinin nikano hasiinin amal you know midna ha wallahi jira xabadka u dhib amal
Working, that's why.
So what do you have then? Nothing. Please tell her. Araban ma tell her.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kadisco. Kadisco.
Calico means Gertrude?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Arabanat. Tell her, give. Your friend, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, please tell her.
Okay, where are you from?
Here. Real number, correct number. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm good luck today. Thank you guys.
See? That's what I'm talking
stressed.
about. Wallahi, for real, guys. He didn't get. معناها هروح كتجن, but you know, make sure not that shit. That Tigwa, guys, bro.
Let me call and check. Where do you leave it?
Here.
In Bole.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's not working.
You give me wrong number?
This
Oh my god.
Hello.
You're a good girl. You see? I knew that I would get your number.
So, bye.
I'm Ali.
Hello.
Can I have your number? Can I have your number?
Oh, I can't.
Not right now.
Yeah.
Why? Are you wearing something?
I'm not right now. Please.
وراح حبتك حد ما ناكت بوليس ومسبحة وترافيك ميم سكيورتي أنا توبي ما خاني ينو سير مركز كرتو درك حبتان دام وراني يا لو حرم برو
I can give you my number. But
guys حبتان الدوكا هذا لمبر تقوى لا تقوى is ناقوى ناق you know guys ناقوى so let us see ورينا كخال
Sorry.
okay. But don't worry, okay? Excuse me, can I talk to you? Can I have your number? No? Okay. Are you free?
No. Hi.
Hi Mali, how are you doing? You good? Yeah. You look so beautiful. Can I have your number?
Thank you.
Have you had a number? Okay. You have a boyfriend? You have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Nice to meet you.
Give me your number. Why?
Okay.
You don't know?
No, but I don't know how to check. Can you check?
This is my number.
This is your number. Wow.
Yo, I swear to God, this is crazy. No, I don't like Naya Sasani. See, she say she have a boyfriend. Waxay haysataa boyfriend haysataa balse and then wislaha hadleen and the numberkaaga adiga siiya dhahday. Can you believe that, bro? Maybe telephone kale u qarsoon oo boyfriendkeeda ogeyn so ka soo wacayo shidanta, you know what I mean?
Thank you very much. You're so beautiful. Can I have your number?
Why?
Because you're so beautiful.
Really?
Yeah.
From where?
I'm from Sweden. Just here for vacation.
90. Wait.
6'2".
No.
I can hold this for you.
Okay.
I'm gonna call you, okay? Inshallah, mashallah. Okay. Ciao. Take care. Nice to meet you. Bye. Hi. You don't want to talk? I want to talk to you. Okay. No problem.
That's XY. I like gabadhi hadduu dambeysa surwaalka madow maaragteen yaa ma sii faahfaahin kariya igada maaragteen marka qoftaas haag siinaysay markuu wuxuu dhahay thank you amaasantay nice to meet you macnaha kulan waa ku faraxsanaa kulankaaga camal you know see you next time I like that bartaas mujeedaa tigwaay is doing
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Ali. Hi. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Can I have your number? Come on. Come on.
09.
Okay, right here. What do you say? Don't give me wrong number, please, okay? I will call when you give me. I will call you.
Why call first?
Because
you know waxa ka helay in Africa waa taqaantay saaxiib bulsho waay you know everywhere Somali Ethiopia Kenya dadka waa la dhex socda waa la kala kacsan yahay habeenkii bro qudbaani waxa leedahay dadka maxaa ka khaldan you know in iyo qoryo lagu ilaalinayo camal ha soo bixin la dhaay you know
sure. Cool. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
I appreciate it. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Ali. Why you give me your only 1 minute?
Go.
1 minute. Okay, write only your number, then you can go.
Why?
Because you're so beautiful. Please, come. Thank you, bye.
okay
Can I have your number?
alright guys wax min sheega gabdhaha Soomaaliyeed loo gooyno you know gabdhaha Itoobiyaanka caalama brotherkii ku adkayskooda ma dheeraba hore waa tig waaya warniyo suuin aado waaniyo
You look so good. Can I have your number?
Something.
Thank Thank you. 09. You're right. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Can I have your number?
I don't have a phone.
You don't have a number?
Yep.
What do you have then?
I don't know.
You can take for now. Yeah? Thank you. So beautiful. Can I have your number?
Sorry.
Please. Yeah, what's the question? Can I have your number? What's your name? Can I have your number? Oh, thank you very much.
markaan iyo suuda soo xirtiya ku diidaan bal afrikaan joogta ka waran nagdaan ciyaartaniyo suudan ka dhac ya ninka wafisa yani xafiiskii ma sonko weegiya markaan ya trishooyinka afrikana waa ogtiin guys man qaybta kaftanka ya
I'm new in this town, but you're so cute. Thank you very much, okay?
My name is Sue.
What's your name? Can I give you one hug? Show me again. My name's Ali. You look so cute. What's your name? Yasmin. Wow, that's nice. Are you waiting a taxi? Okay. Can I have your number? Please, come on. Thank you.
guys good man
You live here?
Guys, I like this video. This guy, he's doing really great. Camera the person and YouTube kadadi, you can find this video. And on this guy video, badan oo fiican soo saara. Subscribe, hello, share, hello, share, grab. And I'm gonna hello, subscribe and share, guys. I like this video. Wax badan video ka fahmaysa marka daawati. And you're gonna like it. Time fiican ku noqonaya.
That's good. Thank you very much. Bye.
Okay guys, video meeshaas ku dhamaaday waxaan leeyahay thank you so much everyone share to my YouTube share karanta de bakhiilaas ka dhigina guys ninkii share gareey waaye bakhiilka ugu weyn asaga waaye like tan ku dadaala guys waa Dr. Zaki next time as arkana another video